Hello everyone, this is Randy from ProNicheStore. In this video we're going to explain a few aspects of the plugins display and how to get values into your plugins defaults or your plugins configuration to make your affiliate links work and get your listings to pull correctly. eBay will pull no matter what, but in order for your affiliate links to work you must have a campaign ID. First of all, get to this section by clicking plugins and then eBay. In order for your eBay commissions to work correctly, you need to have a campaign ID listed here. Your affiliate links are based upon that campaign ID. You can either choose to create a new campaign ID, or you can use an existing one in your EPN account. If you do not have an EPN account, you can disregard the eBay settings and you'll want to turn off the eBay search results and just use Amazon. These are pretty self-explanatory. You can choose various aspects of the configuration to limit your defaults and to limit your search results to these certain defaults. Your search page, where people type in a search and they get results, is dependent upon these eBay settings to function correctly. So you want to set these to your default behavior. However you want your eBay searches to return, you'll want to set them up here. It also gives you defaults whenever you're creating new eBay listings within your pages. There's two functions to these settings. In other words, you've got category. You've got a category lookup link here, and when you click on this, it takes you to the eBay US category listings, and you'll just grab these numbers out of the listings and bring them over to your category field, whichever one you decide to use. And if you're wanting to find the categories for different countries other than the United States, you'll simply change this value up at the top of the page right here where it says listings.ebay.com. You would change that to listings.ebay.co.uk for the United Kingdom, or CA for Canada, and all the other country codes that you'd like. If you do CA, it'll pull up the categories for Canada, and then you would just copy those over. Different keyword, you put your keywords here. You got different options here to set as default. This is the sort by. You can sort by best match and any of these. You can show all listings or auctions only or buy it now only. You can limit your listings by default to 5 or 10, however many you want. If you want to show a lot of items on your search results, you'll want to set this limit to 100 or 50. You can choose to search descriptions, show only free shipping or show only PayPal. You can select a price range, and you can select a location. On to Amazon. Amazon's configuration is a little bit more involved. You have to have 3 fields filled in before you can get any listings from Amazon. This is because the Amazon API requires all 3 of these fields in order to work. So you need the access ID or access key ID, the secret key, and the associate tag. And I'm going to show you how to get those real quick. You'll pull up affiliate-program.amazon.com. You can type this into your address bar and it will pull up this page, and then you can log on. If you do not have an Amazon Associates account, sign up for it. Next, you'll pull this value under tracking ID, this value here, and put it into your associates tag. That's your associate tag. Next, you'll click on the Product Advertising API button at the top of the screen. Scroll down until you see Manage Your Account. Next, you'll see Access Identifiers listed here. Click the Click Here link. The access credentials can be located here in your access credentials section. You'll want the access key. This is the access key ID. Simply copy that over to your access key field here. Next, you'll click the show button. Now, this is where it gets a little hazy. If you haven't signed up for the AWS API access, you'll have to sign up for this first. And once you've signed up for it, you should see a display like this, and you'll click the show button or link, and then you'll grab this secret access key and you'll pull that over to this field, and that'll be all 3 fields that you need. You can then save, and your Amazon listings will work correctly. Okay, so that we've set up our affiliate identification, let's go to the next part, the search criteria. The search criteria, you can choose the default country, your default search index here. Now each of these countries are limited in the search index, as I've said in other videos. There's a chart which I haven't linked to here yet, but it will be in a future version, which shows which one of these search indexes each country code has access to. It's also in the forums, and if you need that right away, you can PM me inside the forum. You can specify specific browse nodes. You can specify what kind of condition you want your items to be in, like if you wanted to show all refurbished items. You can specify keywords, manufacturer, brand, and sort. This sort has a link here to explain what it uses. It depends upon the search index which one of those you can use. And you also have a price range that you can put in there. Now, as with the eBay listings, these Amazon settings will affect the search results. So however you want your search results to show up, you want to configure that within the Amazon settings. And that's about it for plugins.